In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a website in Hostinger in just 5 minutes. This process is simple and user-friendly, whether you're starting a business, a blog, or hosting a personal project. Let's get started with bringing your idea online with Hostinger. First, you'll want to open your preferred web browser and head to the Hostinger website. Hostinger is a popular web hosting platform known for its affordable and feature-rich hosting services. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, look for the login option. Typically found on the top right corner of the page. Click on login to access your Hostinger account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up for one, which is a straightforward process where you provide your basic information and create a password. Now that you're logged in, you'll be directed to the Hostinger user home interface, often referred to as the H-panel. The H-panel is a centralized dashboard where you can manage your websites, domains, hosting plans, and more. Spend a moment familiarizing yourself with this layout, as it will be your central hub for website management tasks. Next, navigate to the website section. You can usually find this in the top navigation bar or within the main dashboard area. Within this section, you'll see an Add Website button. Clicking this button is the key step to start the process of adding your new site. You'll be prompted to enter the website details. Make sure you have your domain information handy if you already own a domain. If not, you can also purchase a domain through Hostinger for convenience. After you've entered the necessary details about your website, look for the option to continue with the setup. At this point, you'll see an option to use the Hostinger website builder. This is a versatile tool that simplifies website creation, making it ideal for beginners and experienced users alike. Click on Hostinger Website Builder to launch the tool. With the Hostinger Website Builder open, you can now choose from a variety of templates to kickstart your design. These templates are customizable, allowing you to adjust them to fit your theme, brand, or personal style. Add your content, images, and any other elements that will make your site unique. The intuitive drag and drop interface makes designing your website both fun and efficient. And there you have it. You've added your website to Hostinger, and it's ready to be customized and brought to life. Don't forget to preview your site and make any final adjustments before going live. This step is crucial to ensure everything looks great and functions as expected. Once you're satisfied, you can publish your website and share it with the world. Thanks for joining me in this quick guide on adding a website in Hostinger. Be sure to explore and experiment with the tools available to truly make your website shine. Happy building!